Okay guys, our today's task, this one task is showing all of you. Basically this is a checking hit, and this is being offered after some interval when uh, you get blocked after 2 months or 3 months, but right now it is showing on all accounts, so I must discuss it to you guys. So I'm going step by step. First of all, BBQ pits. You know, BBQ pits, normally you use it for BBQ. So the same BBQ pit is offered those. So it is an exact match. The next thing is Ego Power Plus self-prepared cordless lawnmower. So this time this page is not showing, but actually the last time it was shown, it was basically the exact product was shown. So based on my previous knowledge, I have uh, graded it as an exact match. Next, the bed head pajamas. So basically this is a pajama brand. So here we are being shown pajamas, but these are from another different brand. So due to difference in brand, this is alternate option. I'm going a bit fast. Okay, this one is Nintendo Switch model Splatoon 3 special edition. So this one is Nintendo Switch model Splatoon 3 special edition. So this is exact product, and this one is new. So it is exact match. Next, this one is Riverside bedboard. So I'm going for the bedboard. These are headboards. No, I am specifically searching for the bedboards. If I go for the bedboard, here you can see the bedboard is a flat board that you put under the mattress. If I go to images section, here you can see this one here, the show inside, or the this this structure that is placed under the mattress, that is called bedboard. But here all the headboards are being shown. Basically this is a mismatch. This is not relevant because an entirely different product is being shown. Then next one is Star Ocean till the end of time PlayStation Store. Basically Star Ocean till the end of time is the name of a game, and it is being sold on PlayStation Store. But here the same game is being offered at the end of time for PlayStation, and this is in good condition. It means it is used, and the website is different. This is not PlayStation Store as asked in the query. So this one is alternate option. Next, again, how to get rid of the snakes in the yard. This is question, query, or a problem of the user. So in case of problem, as I have explained in my earlier lectures, you can see this is the solution to the problem is being offered. So if solution is offered for a given problem, it is an alternate option. Next, again, going for Jenny Finch. For Jenny Finch, it is this query falls into brand name, because a brand or team name or a famous celebrity falls under brand category. You can search it in instruction part. So similar brand is being offered, or similar category or product related to that celebrity is being offered. It is a close match. But if we go a little down, it is like new. It means it is not new. So due to this new used category, it is going for alternate. Otherwise it was close match. Next, Brinkenstone flats. So these are the Brinkenstone flats. These are these type of shoes, and we are being showed Fry Calliston Ballet. These are similar kind of shoes, but the brand is different. They have Birkenstock, and here's Fry, if I am not misspelling the name. Birkenstock. So due to brand mismatch is alternate, but similar functionality. Next one is Hallmark Christmas Show. So if you search this query, Hallmark Christmas Show, this one is Hallmark is a channel, and this channel, on this channel here you can see Hallmark channel. The Christmas show is being aired, or something like light show. But on the page, sorry, no, actually this should be content display issue. But last time when the same similar task came, but this actually the same task came, the product was being shown, and it was simply lights, which was not an alternate option, so it was not relevant. So similarly I have graded not relevant. Then the going to men Crocs. So basically, men Crocs are these type of shoes that you can use casually or even in as a rain boots or rain shoes. But here the sandals are being offered. Actually, sandal is not relevant to that Crocs. There is entirely different type of shoes. Silching atomic Nido skis ball. So Sichling Nido Atomic. Basically, this is a stress relief ball which you pushes to enjoy or relieve your stress. So atomic is specifically a structure. This is atomic like structure where bubbles come out from those structures. So the next what is being offered is I am going to show you. This is a plain ball. This is used for similar purpose. Here you can see atomic and these atomic structures are visible, but like the the shown this is plain ball, but this is from the same company as similar products, so it is alternate option because it serves the same purpose. This query is a bit ambiguous. This is Elon Musk and quest for the fantastic future. If I go for the first page of Amazon, it is for 8 to 3 years of customer, but if I go on the offered page and further search it down, this is a book about Elon Musk, so it could be alternate because it is not a product mismatch. Both are books and about the same topic, basically related to Elon Musk. But if I go for this book, if I go for the age range, this is 3 to 7. So for 3 to 7 and 8 to 13, this is entirely different range which is not relevant to each other. So that way I have rated it as not relevant. I hope you found it useful. And at the end, guys, if you like my channel, I think it is not very expensive to subscribe because it will cost you nothing. I think you all are very good people, but as I have seen in my stats, all are you enjoying my videos, but no one is just clicking a subscribe button. I don't know why, but try to do it, bro. Okay, bye bye.